Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you what's new at Kmart when it comes to storage and home organization, as well as sort of like furniture products as well, and just like home improvement. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and of course if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So yes, it's kind of like a haul video, but for those who are really tight asses that don't want to actually spend their money on everything at Kmart, yeah, that's me. I wouldn't have a need for all these products, but I think they're amazing, and I know that there would be so many people out there that this would serve really well for. So that's why I wanted to do this video for you guys. Anyway, if you're new here, don't forget to check out my Kmart playlist. I do have heaps of stuff. Not just videos like this, I have heaps of stuff where I'm actually using the products and organizing with them, and you can see it all. So go and check that playlist out, and let's get into the goodies. Okay, so the first products that I really liked, which you could use them as storage items, like what I've done behind me just to organize everything in, or you could also use these as a decor piece to put in like throw blankets and stuff like that, or even as like a plant holder in your living areas, which a lot of people do. So I have seen them stock these seagrass ones now, which was pretty exciting. I really like those, and I feel like they've taken a while to get those ones in. And then they've also got a lot of different like packs, so they'll come in like a 2-pack or a 3-pack of like woven, different colored and different textured woven baskets. So as I said, these are going to be great for organizing around your home, or if you want to use them as decor to display, you know, with your plants and stuff like that. Okay, talking about plants, this one here is pretty cool. I did see this one online because they didn't have this in store, which was this metal planter with trestle. So basically you plant your plants in the bottom as what the photo says, and then the plants grow up. But I also think you could do a little Kmart hack, because you know guys, I love Kmart hacks. I have whole videos on these. I honestly think that you could put a top on this and you could use it to store shoes in, or even sandpit toys, and then you could use the like rails at the top. You could put some pegs and like hang coats or hats or whatever you wanted to hang on there. Just think about it. I think they could do a really good Kmart hack on that one. So okay, the next product that really excited me was their range of wallpapers. They have palm trees, they've got the terrazzo, they have got a floral print, and they've also got the pinstriped print. Now, as a full wall of it, I don't know what I think of it in the picture, but I think that they could have definitely displayed it a lot better than that. I've actually seen people use them on a half wall, so they've got like the VJ paneling down the bottom, and then they've got like the floral print at the top, and I thought it looked really amazing. So this is what I would do just to break it up, because it is such a busy print, but it looks absolutely beautiful, and they're $35 a roll. They are an absolute steal, and they're already sticky, so you don't need to be mucking around with the glue or anything like that. I think that they're going to be pretty easy just for everyday people to, you know, do their own DIY project with. Okay, so this next product was great for anybody who has no laundry storage. So if you've got like no overhead cupboards, maybe you are in a rental and you can't put shelving on the walls, then this would be a perfect option. So basically this unit goes over top of your washing machine, and then you can store any of your like cleaning products and stuff like that that you may need in the laundry area. And it also has a racking up the top there, so you can put a couple of, you know, t-shirts or whatever it may need, that may need drying if you've just got a couple of things. The other thing that I really liked, and I think I'm going to buy this, and I'm not even going to buy it for my laundry room, but I want it, and they're only $19, which was this magnetic organizer that actually sticks to the side of your washing machine. Now I didn't see these in store, I did see them online, but I think it's a great idea, and I'm thinking if it's the right size, I might actually put this in my garage to add a little bit of storage to my cabinet in there that's also magnetic. So think of anything with a magnet. So if you've got even like a locker or something like that that is quite wide, a big wide magnet, you could put this on it. Okay, and I must be just loving shelves right now because the next product was this Garage 4-tiered shelving unit. Now this actually holds 660 kilos in total. It isn't that big, it's only 180 centimeters high. So I don't think that that's that big, but I think it's a really good buy though because it's only $100 for what it is. The only issue that I have with it, it does say it needs to be wall mounted. So if you are in a rental property, it might not be a great option for you. Okay, the next item that I saw in Kmart just reminded me of Home Edit. So if you've watched Home Edit on Netflix, or you would have heard of it, they actually have the books in Kmart as well if you don't have Netflix. But if you love that Home Edit look where everything is in clear containers, then they've actually just started to release a heap of their own clear containers. So I did see these sort of bigger ones, but the ones that really excited me were actually the drawers. Now, I didn't actually see these, but they do have them in small, medium and large, and I believe they're $4, $7 and $9, so they are really, really affordable compared to like other little companies that are selling them. I don't know what the quality is like, but the quality of the bigger one that I did see, the bigger tub, it looked fine to me. So I think that this would be a great for any of those people that love that look. To be honest, I would not advise anybody who just throws things into the drawer to jump on this bandwagon because it is just going to look really, really messy in your cupboard, and you're better off to stick to something that is not so transparent and just label it. Okay, so moving off into the wardrobe area, they have just got in these flocked coat hangers. So you probably would have seen these around if you have been watching like other wardrobe organization videos. So the idea behind these is that they are very narrow, so you're able to fit more things in your wardrobe cupboard. And they are made of felt, so they are completely non-slip. So they are a very practical element, and they also have them in a kids as well. So the kids come in this, it is a nice green, it's like a pale green. Now the only issue that I have with green myself is that if you decide that you want more coat hangers and they're out of stock, it's not really going to be colour that's going to be easy for you to get. So my advice is to definitely stick to like your neutral black color because it's always going to be something that is on trend. And if you guys have watched my Pinterest inspired wardrobe organization video, you'll actually see I didn't even use these myself, and that's because I do laundry fast, which I have a video on as well, and I wouldn't be able to use these coat hangers, but as I said, it is a great idea if you need to save space in your wardrobe. Okay, so the next one are these handbag holders. Now there's the handbag holder with the shoe holder, which is pretty cool. So if you like things up off the floor, or you've got little kids that, you know, play around in the shoes a bit too much for your liking, then you can get them up off the floor and you can put them into this little unit here, which just hangs up onto your normal clothes rail in your closet. So if you do have one of those closets where you just walk in the house and there's nowhere to put your bags and shoes, then these are great options for you. I honestly don't know what the quality would be like with the handbag ones. Like if you had a full handbag, I don't know how it would actually hold up because I haven't actually used this item. But just looking at the packaging, I think that this would be a great storage solution. Okay, so the next item that I really liked were these storage benches. Now, I just love it because it's got hidden storage. You've got little kids, they can sit on the bench while you're putting their shoes on, and then you can also use it to put shoes in. And you could also divide this up by using tubs, so each family member has their own little container, and it can be used for mails, keys, wallets, loose change, all that sort of stuff can go in each of those for each family member. So now in store I saw the cutest little rattan chairs ever, and near them were this woven side table. Now, I don't know if they did it on purpose, but I feel like that you could have like a chair either side of the table, and that would make like a really cute little sitting area in like a kid's play area, or like in a corner of a kid's room. I think it would look really, really sweet, but a very, very affordable option if you're loving that rattan furniture look. another rattan furniture item that I absolutely loved and I fell in love with it, and I don't even have a dog, is the rattan dog beds. How cute are these? If I still had a dog, I definitely would be buying one of these. They are really well made, and I think that they would make a great addition to any living area. I know a lot of dog beds and stuff like that can just look like a real eyesore, so I really loved that. And the other thing that I loved were these little leather carry bags. So I don't know, it just reminded me of Legally Blonde when she's carrying around a dog. It was really, really cute, and the leather on them, well, it's fake leather, is really, really soft as well. The other one that I saw, which I'm a bit on the side about using as a pet bed, I don't know, I don't know if a cat or a dog would like walls around their bed. But anyway, I really liked them because I thought it would make a really cute addition to a kid's bedroom. So these were the pet house beds. So you would have seen heaps of places selling house beds for kids. I think that having the pet house bed and then you have like one like for your doll and one for your child in the room would be something that is so cute. So that's what I'd be using it as personally, as a doll's bed. I think it would be much nicer as a doll's bed than a pet's bed. Now the last item that I liked was this. It's called a slatted bamboo shelf unit with doors. So basically this slatted bamboo shelf unit with doors would go straight over your toilet, and if you've got little people that are still learning how to aim, or even big people, and you don't want your toilet paper, you know, getting bits and pieces on it, then this is a great way of putting it up there. You can put all your extra cleaning stuff, pads, tampons, all that sort of thing. And even if you've got little fingers as well, like little fingers at getting to toilet rolls and stuff like that, this is another great option of getting that off the floor, especially if you're a renter and you can't sort of put like shelves and stuff like that on the wall, then this is also a great option. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to see everything in the store. So basically what happened is we got told at 11 o'clock that we were going into lockdown as of 1 p.m. And I was like, great, I've got things that I wanted to do for my YouTube channel. So, you know, I went running down to the shops and it was madness, absolute madness. And the best bit about doing this walk through Kmart is everyone else was at the register and I had free reign of just walking around with my camera. It was so good. So yeah, I didn't get to get everything that I wanted to, obviously, because they didn't have everything in stock, so I couldn't go back again, and been in lockdown for 2 weeks now, and I think we had a week off lockdown and we were in lockdown before that, and I don't predict that we're getting out anytime soon, to be honest. So it is what it is, unfortunately. So I hope you guys are staying well and staying safe and wherever you are, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. If you do have any new video suggestions, then let me know. I do have a Facebook and Instagram page. You can also catch me on throughout the week, and I'll catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.